Let's talk about first principles based learning, which is what is needed if you really want to learn as a leader. The first and most important thing, first order learning doesn't happen by default. We need to be intentional about it. Think about it like a process, a 7-step process. Step number 1, you need to create an intention about learning from your experience, which means that everything that you experience, you look at it from a lens of what can I learn from this experience. Then you start paying attention to things that you are experiencing. Notice and make your assumptions about what you are seeing. Then make sense of everything that you are seeing and make a decision about how do you want to respond or act given that the things that you have experienced. Take action, actually do something based on your decision, whatever is the decision. Observe the reactions to your action, both intended and unintended. So every time you act, you respond to a stimuli, the system will respond back. So you need to understand and be open and go look out for both intentional and unintentional consequences of any action that you have taken. Then reflect about what caused those reactions and whether the assumptions that you had made before you made the decision were right or wrong. Rinse and repeat. Now sometimes you will find that the assumptions were right, but the system did not respond as you expected it to respond. Sometimes you will find that you got the response that you expected, but the assumptions were wrong. There were different reasons why the system reacted the way it did than what you assumed the reason should be. So as a very wise man once said, it is not the result that is important or that determines whether the action that you took or the decision that you took was the right decision. It is the input that went in and the assumptions that you made while making the decision, whether those were right or not. And given that they were, if they were right, was the decision that you made was the right decision to do or not. So the process is more important than the result itself. Think about it. As I always say, always be learning. That's what differentiates a leader from a leader worth following. Take care.